Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Santina here. Guys, I'm back with another challenge. This challenge, I seen All Things Lolly doing it, and I thought, oh my god, that looks amazingly delicious. I've got to try it. So girl, thanks for sharing that with us. Anyhow, this challenge was created by CASMR. So I'm about to do it. Basically what it is, it's a watermelon pizza. You eat it in 5 minutes. So it's watermelon with, I have on here mango pieces, pineapple pieces, blueberries and raspberries. So, and whipped cream. So I'm about to dig in. I have 5 minutes to finish this. Wish me luck, guys. Hey, if it's your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Share it with everyone. Hit that bell notification button so therefore each time I upload, you will be notified when I post, okay? And if you've already been here, welcome back, guys. I love having you. Enjoy the show. Let's go. 5 minutes. 3, 2, 1, go. Put the timer here, please. Thanks. Yeah. Can't see it. Oh my god, this is good. This is good. I'm supposed to eat 8 pieces. Did I mention that? In 5 minutes. 8 slices. This is a delicious challenge. Maybe these are too thick. This is good. Guys. Two minutes in. Okay. I gotta hurry up. This is so delicious. I love it. And the fruits are sweet. Oh my god. Let's see if I can do it. too juicy. Mmm. Done. Oh, wow, guys. That's a beautiful challenge. I love it. I absolutely love it. 5 minutes, so what did I do? 4 minutes. And, excuse me, whoa. Guys, I am so stuffed. Can I tell you guys, I was up pretty early this morning, and I watched, I was on YouTube, and I saw, oh my God, excuse me, sorry guys. I seen All Things Lolly doing the challenge, and I thought, oh my God, excuse me, sorry. And I thought, that looks amazingly delicious, and it's a healthy challenge. And just looks fun and wow, you know? So I thought, I gotta try that challenge. I want it. I wanted some of that goody, what is it, pizza watermelon? So I went out to my appointment and came back. And actually, I went to get my eyebrows tinted. So now I have brows, guys. I did a little vlog, which I'm gonna be posting tomorrow. I'm so excited that I finally have brows. Sorry, something just flew out of my mouth. So I am happy about that. But yeah, so on my way, as I went to my appointment, I thought about it all day. And I knew, you know, I had this big old watermelon here that I've had for a few days. And it's a huge one, a big one. So I thought, this is a great time to cut it. And then I had some fruits, frozen fruits in the freezer. So I unthawed those and came back, and yeah, great challenge. CASMR, very great challenge. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. And guys, if you enjoyed the video, please go thumbs it up. That's my first and my only meal for the day, and it was so worth the wait. It's about 3 o'clock Tuesday afternoon, and I'm about to post this video today. As I mentioned in my prior video, I want to be doing a challenge every day this week. So, hey, I made up a challenge of my own, and I'm going to be doing that hopefully tomorrow. Yeah, so anyhow, I want to thank you guys. Again, if you enjoyed the video, please thumbs it up. It's a short video, guys. Thumbs it up for me. It's fun. Go try it out yourself. Try it. It's a really interesting and fun challenge, and good one too. It's not, you know, it's healthy. So anyhow, I thank you guys for tuning in. Please share this video out and leave me a comment in the section below. Let me know what you thought about it. Even if you didn't like it, still leave me a comment, you know. I'd appreciate it. And until the next one, I'm actually stalling. This is I don't make such short videos, guys. My videos are usually like pretty, well, not that long, but at least 20 minutes and up. So this video, I'm trying to at least make it 10 minutes. Yes, guys. So it's a beautiful day out. I hope you guys are enjoying it. And I wanted to ask, by the way, I wanted to ask. Actually, you know what? I'm going to save that thought. I'm going to save that question, actually, for tomorrow. I want to find out something. But, guys, can I tell you what's happening to me? Look at this. This mask, look. You see the line in my nose? That's from wearing the mask. Look. I don't know if you can see, but I see it. My daughter even says, Mom, you're breaking out really bad. Look, this is all from wearing that. What do I do? How do I prevent these things from breaking out on my face? It's from wearing that thing. I hate it. I mean, I know it's for my own good, so I have to go ahead and wear it. But I don't like the fact that I'm breaking out. I'm trying to find the shields. Does anybody know where I can get the shields from? Just the shields that it's like a helmet kind of, but I want to get one of those. I think it's better. It's really hard for me to breathe under those, under the mask. It's like, it's hectic. It's hectic, but it's the life, and that's what it is right now. So we have to try to deal with it. But I'd like to know where I can get one of those shields. I need it desperately. If you know where I can get it, leave me a message in the comment section. Or if you'd like to get me one and I pay you for it, that would be even better, because I need it desperately. Anyhow, guys, I'm too much. I know. I got over 10 minutes, and I appreciate you sitting here and listening to me yapping away. Thank you guys again so much for tuning in. I love you guys. God bless you. I appreciate you, and I will see you guys on the next one. Okay? Bye, guys. Mwah, 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 mwah. Ciao.
Santinaluv, 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 Santinaluv.